Welcome back to Kathy Rain. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on one second. There we go. Do this. There. Let's get back into that room.
I should check if it's unlocked.
Oh. Oh, okay. Well. Search the desk again. Probably search the portrait, too.
I've searched. A hidden safe. There's also a poem here, written by Father Bill. I copied it to my notepad. I'm sure there's a hidden meaning in this, but I think I'm missing something in order to make sense of it. I'm sure... Nothing unusual. There they are. Just old furniture. A closet. Oof, no corpses, just... Nothing interesting. Books on... A photo of a younger father. Locked. Not a bad idea.
Ah.
The code to the safe must be hidden somewhere in this poem. Father Bill mentions his wife and children.
Okay, we'll go to the mausoleum then. We're down to just 4 locations left, obviously, so... Might be getting closer to the end of the game.
In the text, Father Bill's family members, could he be... I copied the grave layout to my notebook. Okay, these graves must somehow correspond to Father Bill's poem. Center, above, below. Is he defining reference points on some kind of shape? No, that... No. 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 No.
Oh wait, maybe I do this?
No. I think I should... Center, above, below. Is he defining reference points on some kind of shape? No. 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 Center, I think center, above, below. Is he defining reference points on some kind of shape? No. 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 No.
I mean, like...
Barbara Price. Joshua David Price, born June Isaacs. William Father Agatha. William Father Agatha Price. William Thomas Price. Father Henrietta Ann Price. Father that grave is that grave. Ernest Edward. I have a feeling. Center of.
Well, I'm trying to think now about, like, being realistic.
Ernest Edward Price, born December 20th, 1898. Agatha Price, born November 13th, 1899. Barbara Price, born July 19th, 1921. Arthur Price, born April 11th, 1918. Died December 4th, 1982. Arthur Price. Isaac Jeremiah Price, death date is Joshua David Price, born June 8th, Isaac's brother. William Thomas Price, born February. Father Henrietta Ann Price, born April 22nd, 1933. Father Bill's wife.
Okay.
No.
What?
No. 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 No.
Just to make sure that it's not
No.
a single one.
No. 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 No.
Okay.
No. 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 No.
I'm thinking that it may just be one per row.
No. No. No.
And Henrietta may not be...
No. 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 No.
Because he says center, above, and below.
Center, above.
Actually, it doesn't say above.
No. No. No, that...
I'm just not sure about this one. Because it depends on whose wife. And whose sons. Because this may be referring to the earliest, like Ernest, maybe.
Center, above, below. No. 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 No.
Well, the oldest person of the center row is Father Bill, and his wife is Henrietta, though.
No. 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 No.
Alright, I'm gonna have to consult a walkthrough on this because this is... At least for this one part of it, because the code does not make a whole lot of sense to me. Just give me 1 second, this will take very little time. Because literally the Google search brings up poem when I start to type it in. Yeah, it's loading now. I mean...
Center, above, below. Is he defining reference points on some kind of shape?
Let's scroll down to day 4. Okay.
Center, of course! The sign of the Lord! Some of the graves can form the shape of a cross.
Alright.
Now, if I can only figure out which dates are... 3 dawns. Three dawns should be 3 birth dates.
Okay.
3 dawns.
Other than his own?
3 dawn. 3 dawn. 3.
Oh wait, what am I doing? Duh.
3 dawn.
Huh.
3. No. 3 dawns should be 3 birth dates. 3 dawn. 3. 3.
I mean, I would assume that he's seen his kids be born.
No. 3 dawns. Yes, that must be it. 3 dawns mean 3.
Okay, it wasn't actually
I just
relevant.
have to somehow narrow down these to the correct number of digits.
From east to west, I touched every soul.
I think that's...
No.
I think that's...
Okay.
I think that's 2.
Hmm.
No, I'm No, I'm pre- No, I'm... No, I...
Stop it.
No, I... No, I'm... I'm sure the year is correct, but I think I messed up the format for the day and the month.
Okay.
I'm sure the...
Oops, maybe I just did the same exact thing about 11 and 12. There we go.
Lasting to brief.
Alright. Done with that puzzle. That's like the first puzzle in a couple episodes. The game has mostly just been story focused, not puzzle focused. Alright, what are we gonna find out now?
Yes! Found a bunch of torn out Bible pages.
FB, Jimmy Cochran, Lily Myers, and Joseph Rain. Who's FB though? Oh, Father Bill. Okay.
Standard micro...
This is William T. Price. My visions concerning my sons are troubling. I've watched them become corrupted with pride, turning their backs on our prophet, the Crimson One. I've seen the history of the church wiped clean. This message is part of a fail-safe. Should these predictions come to pass, I've hidden it so that only the true agents of the old God. Now, heed these words. It's the only way to cleanse...
Okay. Not super helpful, but...
Hi, Grandma. Listen, I found something in this storage unit.
Oh? What was it?
Custody papers.
I was hoping you wouldn't have to see those.
I need to know what happened, Grandma.
Sharon was never a good mother to you, Kathy.
I know. It was the illness. She tried her best. It wasn't all bad.
You don't know the despicable things she and Brian did. Drugs, violence. We wanted something better for you. Joseph started talking to lawyers, staying up late at night on the phone, but eventually we ran out of courts to appeal to, and your mother retaliated with a restraining order. And that was it.
I wish things could have been different.
I do too, dear. Every day.
Okay, Grandma. There are a few
Very well.
Have you heard about someone or something called the Crimson One?
Goodness, dear. I distinctly recall your grandfather mumbling that word in his sleep.
He did?
Yes, he rarely spoke at all, but that's the single word I can clearly remember.
Strange. Okay.
Good luck.
I found these in the...
I'm not sure.
Maybe. I'll let... This thing should come... There are...
Very well.
I already... I don't need...
Okay.
Okay.
Good luck.
I think it's time to go to the forest. Because I don't really think there's a whole lot left to do. Can't go here, 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 or here. And the sheriff's station's not going to be all that useful at this point, so... No, 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 no. Oh, I can't go to the forest. Alright, well...
Hey, Lenny.
Hello, Cat.
Nah. I don't... Well...
See ya.
Alright, well, fair... Oh, wait, wait, wait. There is someone we can talk to about that.
I have more things...
Speak.
Why did you just...
Is that what?
They looked pretty...
Like an ignorant child. You look only...
Are you implying that the painting...
Oh, yes. Believe as an emissary of God.
What is your...
The same...
By any... You...
You can...
Who is the Crimson One?
No one that can...
Wait. So you...
Certainly.
Look what I found in the...
Come to gloat, have you?
Honestly, I just want to understand. What does it all mean?
I don't believe you're sincere for it.
I don't need to... I already showed... We already talked... I don't need to... I already... I don't need... I already... I don't need... I'd love... I don't need... I don't need... Listen to this, Isaac.
This is William T. Price. My
What
visions
is this?
concerning my sons are troubling. I've watched them become corrupted with pride, turning their backs on our prophet, the Crimson One. I've seen the history of the church wiped clean, replaced with trickery and lies. This message is part of a fail-safe.
I don't believe it. Father saw all of this coming.
It's not too late to redeem yourself, Isaac. I've met the Crimson One.
Preposterous. No one has witnessed that apostate since Father's... I've been north of the lake. He abandoned us all.
You believe that you are carrying out the work of...
Don't think I can't hear that mocking...
He mentioned... No... I'll probably have to narrow it down...
Father, have you abandoned me? I will atone for my... God have...
Alright. Time for a confrontation. Oh no, a maze. Well,
This thing...
alright. I think we're gonna be playing hot or colder right now. Twist again.
My God. Met her end. Someone left this message here for me. It's the red scythe flower.
Smell them.
Intense.
Greeting!
You again.
Me again.
You better have some answers.
All in due time. Your friend is being claimed.
Are you talking about...
Yes.
Why?
The tribulation. The
Who's we?
My kind.
To what end do you serve this god?
All we want is for you to take your medicine, Kathy.
If that's the case, why were all those people hurt?
You misunderstand. What one wants and what one is able to do. Happiness is not a one-way street. Your grandfather...
Wait.
Oh, yeah. He was a tortured soul. Desperate for some kind of meaning. He sought the power.
But Grandpa didn't make it. He was so much stronger.
Is that what you believe?
But why me?
Because you so desperately need it. They follow you like a shadow, pulling you down. It is...
This is crazy. I could just...
There's nothing...
Eileen. I can't leave her like...
I see now why he speaks...
Yes!
Surreal. Hey, where'd all my The door is sealed, but gears are moving behind. Looks like Grandpa and Eileen have both signed already. Grandpa's name looks like August 81. Yep, August 81. No dial. The painting gets the reception down. A small... There was a pen... An old elevator. Gears are moving behind. The door is... It's an old-fashioned... It's fairly sharp. That action did...
Darn. Actually, before I do this, I want to save my game just in case. Just in case this gets me a bad ending.
What the... You're not supposed to be here. Who are you? I should ask you the same. Do you like what we did to Mom? Don't you just want to kill her? Mom? She's here? Now, I'd love to stay and chat.
Ooh. This is a little grisly.
That thing... More gears.
Let's move over here to this side of the screen, see if there's anything on this side of this. Whoa! Yeah, there's something about that.
I don't even... Oh my god. It's Mom! She's... I have to get her loot. Was she always... Mom! Don't worry. No use. There's some blood. It's too tough. There was a scalpel hit. Got it. There you go, Mom. No! That won't help. She... Mom! I forgive you. Oh, God.
Ah, yes.
Refrigerator magnets. The score values are off, though. I remember pokes in jar. An inkier... Not sure what... Refrigerator. The score pokes. Not sure what to make.
I may need something to come back here. Alright, we're gonna finish this game on the next episode, so grab a snack.